Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashpika, the channel where we talk a lot about making money online as an artist, as a creative person. In today's video, we will going to talk about one amazing way on Zazzle that can help you make more money as being a designer. And I think that many guys would be aware of that, but even if you are not, then this tip will really going to help you. So without further ado, let's get straight with that. Before we go, consider clicking the like button, guys. I do really appreciate that. If you want more such video in the future, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon. Whenever I'm gonna upload new videos, you're gonna get notified about it. Also, we have a lot of free resources to help you make more money. The link is in the description box below. You can very well grab our Zazzle workbook planner that's entirely based on my experience and knowledge that helped me to become Zazzle Pro basic level, then Zazzle Pro bronze level. It started from getting started with Zazzle, opening up your shop, ideal client avatar, niche finding the right kind of tags, keywords, uploading the products, promotion, and thereby making money and become a Zazzle Pro seller. Everything is based on my experience and knowledge so far. So if you're really looking forward to getting started with the Zazzle or looking forward to make more money, this workbook will going to help you. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box below. It's a PDF workbook, kind of like a planner where instructions are written on the top, and there is a space there where you can write about your own shop. And yeah, so it's a PDF download. The link is in the description box below. Without further ado, let's get straight with today's video topic. Guys, I wore my earrings, which I made from the clay. I want to wear, so I just wear it for this video. Anyway, let's talk about what is this one thing that will going to help you. Newsfeed. Yeah, that is the one thing that can help you to make more money on the Zazzle. Allow me to explain how you can utilize the Zazzle newsfeed. Like, as being a designer, when you're gonna go over to your shop, your store, you're gonna see a bunch of the options on the upper hand side. You're gonna see the news section on the right hand side option, that is the news section of the Zazzle. About the product events in the Zazzle news section for the designer to take an advantage of that. You're gonna see a new product declaration if they're announcing a new product or a new product type or something related to an occasion or event. They're gonna mention them in the Zazzle news section, like I can say as a few weeks back, when there was a Mother's Day in the May, they were having a kind of like an announcement. Those of you who are interested in Mother's Day and want to send their pictures with their mom, then they can very well send them. They're gonna feature those designers. Mother's Day is around the corner, so they actually posted in this news section that those of you who can send the pictures with their father, they're gonna feature those designers. So this is just the two examples that I'm giving you recently, which I saw in the Zazzle news section, which was kind of like a more interesting and amazing. But apart from that, they actually tell you each and everything about the platform, that the new updates. And I think that when you're selling in a platform, you need to stay updated with that particular platform, whether it's a Creative Fabrica, whether it's a Zazzle, Redbubble, whatever it is. You need to be staying updated. Some of the platforms updated you very well in your designer dashboard itself, but some of them send you an email newsletter. So make sure you subscribe to their email newsletter, because at that time it's an optional to subscribe to their newsletter, but I would highly recommend you to subscribe to one, because they're gonna send you updates, a lot of the stuffs which you really need as a seller on the platform to make more money. So recently what they have mentioned over here, which is really interesting, the wedding collection request. If you are creating a wedding invitation or a wedding suit, then this is something you can really hop on. So it's being posted on the 31st May. So following on from our wedding trends share out, we would love for you to be able to help us with great features we are planning on Zazzle, especially for fall wedding season 2022. We would love for you to create additional coordinating pieces for your wedding collections. Here are some of creative assets we will be using to feature on site and throughout marketing channels. These will be the products we would love for you to create coordinating designs on. So they are telling you to submit your wedding collection suit for getting featured for their marketing campaigns or featured on their website or wherever they are actually having the advertisements on social media or on the Google, wherever it is, they're gonna be featuring your product, your wedding collection. So they are sending a request. So what exactly you need in that wedding collection? That's a program hand fan, the flat card, the cocktail napkin, the menu card, the folded place card, vertical card, then vertical RSVP, horizontal save the date, favor bag, wine label, vertical 8x10 poster. Now these were some items they were mentioning in that collection. Now you could have more than that as well, but these are the minimum products that you need to have for a wedding collection. And then you can have a wedding collection, you can create them and you can submit them in a form. They are having a one form. If you click over to that, please use this form to submit your completed collection. You mention your details, your name, email address, your collection title, collection link, and submit your collection. This is a great way to get featured on Zazzle and also get more eyeballs. Like, if you are a newbie, or even if you are selling on a Zazzle for quite a while and looking forward for that incentive opportunity, then this is something that you can hop on. This is just an example of the wedding collection for the fall season. Like, they have such kind of feature every once in a while, maybe 2 or 3 months they would be having something, like if they're featuring for Father's Day, Mother's Day, Christmas, or wedding or Halloween, whatever it is, they would be mentioning them in the Zazzle news section. So you need to keep yourself updated with the Zazzle news section, so that whenever something comes in the mind, whenever something approaches and which is related to your niche, your category, or is related to your products that you're creating in your shop, you can very well hop on. Now you would be thinking there are so many designers on Zazzle who are very amazing and are selling so many stuffs. Like, there is a huge competition in the feature section to get featured on a Zazzle, but I would tell you to give it a shot. Why not? Like, being an entrepreneur myself, apart from a designer and artist, I try to hop on every other opportunity which I feel like I want to give it a shot. Maybe you fail, it doesn't really matter. You just need to give your shot and see what if it works for you. What if you get featured on the Zazzle homepage or Zazzle section, or the campaigns that they are doing, the marketing campaigns. If you get featured, you are more likely to get the eyeballs for not that just for one collection, but for your entire shop, and that can help you make more money and become a Zazzle Pro seller and increase your Zazzle Pro level. Really, I never ever tried before. I never ever give this thing a shot, but this particular stuff and feature new about the wedding collection, wedding fall season. Now I do target the wedding niche. I do have a shop where I'm targeting the wedding collections. So when I saw that, I thought that why not hop on this opportunity and submit some of my wedding collections. So I personally submit 2 or 3, I think 3 of my own wedding collection for this particular feature. Now I'm not sure whether I'm gonna be get featured or not. I'm not really sure, but this is all about just giving your shot. Okay, you just need to have your legs in the door, and rest everything will going to be figure outable along the way. Creating a wedding collection, then please submit for this particular feature request that they are having for the wedding fall 2022. Guys, like, if you're actually using these opportunities, maybe one of them opportunity fit into your box and that works wonders for you, and you can expect to make more money on a Zazzle, not just on the Zazzle, but on whatever platform or whatever online stuff you are selling in the online space. There are thousands of designers on the Zazzle, and there is a huge competition in the wedding niche. I really get that there is a huge competition, but I think that trying and giving it a shot is not hurt you. Okay, why not give it a shot? Even though you see that there is a competition, there is a huge competition, maybe your collection would get selected and you get featured. Who knows? You only will going to know when you're gonna do this particular thing. So I'm gonna talk about the news feed, which is really important. They actually tell you that when they are announcing a new product in their marketplace, version of a product in their marketplace, and if you are coming across that particular announcement, then make sure you upload the designs or you upload your work on that particular product, because that is the new product that is coming in their online marketplace. When not many people are hopping up, there is not that much competition for that particular product, and if you are uploading your designs for that particular product, you're more likely to make more money. I can give you one of the example of one of the designers. I think I read their blog article and also the YouTube video. They were mentioning that at the time of the COVID, like 2020, when the COVID hit and the people were forcing to wear the mask, like governments were forcing to mask the mask. Even now also the mask is important. At that time it was so new, what is a mask and all. So Zazzle introduced a new product in their marketplace, the mask, and one of the designer I read the blog article was actually hopping on this particular new product and uploaded hundreds of designs on the mask on 1 or 2 days of on them announcing this particular product in the platform, and he or she got amazing sales for that mask in few weeks itself. So that is the great beauty of a new product that is coming into the online marketplace when they are announcing it. When they are announcing that, hey, this is a new product coming up, you can hop in, you can place your design, take an advantage of that, place your design on that, because not that much competition is there on that particular product. So do as fast as you can, upload as many product, as many designs as you can, and you're likely to make more money. And if you sit back and relax and see, oh, I'm going to do it 15 days, 30 days, then after that there would be a lot many products in that particular product niche. That a lot many designs would be there, and there would be the competition will going to grow. So this was the one advantage that one of the designer took. Few days back only they announced that now designers can upload their own mock-up images for their products. Like earlier you are only getting 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 mock-up images for your product, which they are having for every single product, but now you can upload your own custom mock-up image for your own product. So that's a great thing. Like if you see one of your product is getting you more sales, like you can have your custom thumbnail image or product preview image or mock-up image for that particular design, and you can upload for your product. Okay, that will likely going to increase your conversion ratio, because that's a new mock-up image, and if you're having a very clear and personalized mock-up image, you're gonna have more conversion ratio. The mock-up image is the first thing that the people usually see when they see a product, and after that they go into the title and description of the product, but first the mock-up image. If the mock-up image is so exciting, they are more likely to click on that and likely to more convert. So this was a feature they introduced, I think, few weeks back on the Zazzle marketplace for a custom product preview image that the designer can upload for their products. If you are creating a wedding collection, please submit your wedding collection for this particular feature. No matter, you would be thinking, oh, my wedding collection is not good, my designs are not that good, other designers' products are so good, their designs are so good, I'm not gonna be submitting it. Don't do it, guys. Submit it, okay? This one strategy of keeping yourself updated with the Zazzle news section, with the update section, will going to help you make more money. Since I've been utilizing this thing from few weeks, and I've been trying to upload the my designs of the new products whenever they mention it, because I know that that competition is not that huge in that particular product when they are announcing in their marketplace, and I can be a pioneer for that particular product and can likely to make more money. So hopefully this stuff will going to help you. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Are you utilizing the Zazzle news feed for making more money? Have you ever tried to submit one of your collections or your products, your designs, for getting featured on a Zazzle when they are pulling a Zazzle request? I would really love to hear from you. If you have any kind of experience, let me know in the comment section below, because if you have that kind of experience, it will going to help me as well, because I never tried it before. This is the first time that I tried. So if you have an experience and you got selected, or even if you not got selected but you have an experience, let me know in the comment section below. It will going to help everyone, me as well. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. I'll gonna see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye, guys.